three things you need to focus on mainly when it comes to running ads, okay, especially on Facebook. You have the creative, you have the hook, okay, you have the headline. The copy is important, but if the creative is bad, people won't even stop scrolling, okay? If the headline is bad, they won't even know what the hell they're going to stop and read for. If the hook is bad, the top of the image or the video, they're still going to be a bit confused. And the copy matters, the body, it matters, what you write in a body. But if people don't stop, then how are they going to even go ahead and read what's in the body, the copy? So the first thing you need to focus on mainly is getting that creative that gets people to stop. And you can use something like dynamic creatives. Okay, creatives has to be tested multiple times because you won't know what works. The creative, the hook, the headline, the hook, and the body, which is copy. Those components right there are three main things or four things that will get you the most success when it comes to running ads.